Hello, in this video I want to show you how to transfer files from your Samsung Galaxy S23 to your PC or reverse from your PC to Samsung Galaxy S23. And to do this you will need to get the USB cable, which is USB-C to USB, and now connect the USB end to your PC. If you have USB-C plugs only on your PC, then you might need to get adapter or USB-C cable. And now let's connect it. Then to the phone. It should start charging, and now let's unlock our device. At this point you will need to allow access to browse all files and transfer them. So it's right here, allow. Then move to your laptop and open any file manager. Then scroll down right here and look for name of your phone, which is Force S23 right here. And now we can see internal storage and move any files from it or to your phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.